Hello YouTube! Thanks for visiting Cook the World channel. Today, we are going to show you how to cook honey mustard chicken. I know everyone loves honey mustard flavor. Me too. I will give you some tips to make it much flavors on it. Here's the ingredient: honey, mustard, soy sauce, garlic powder, white wine, mayonnaise, chicken thigh. Seasoning with salt and pepper. Heat on medium. Add olive oil. And start pan fry. Sounds good. Add white wine. White wine gets meat tender and juicy. Just keep in your mind, kids are not allowed to drink white wine, but white wine in cooking is one of the exceptions. Then add soy sauce. Mustard, honey, mayonnaise, the combination of seasonings sounds weird, but trust me, this makes difference. Garlic powder. Keep stirring for all the seasoning. Serve on arugula, and cherry tomato is one of my ideas. Does make it look good, and you can eat veggies with the sauce. Alright, dinner is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. We are going to upload many simple, quick, easy food video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give thumbs up. Make sure to leave comments as well. I will see you in the next cook. Bye!